How do I change the color scheme on PuTTY? I'm using PuTTY to SSH from my PC at home to Linux computers at work, but some of the text, folder names, is dark blue on black, which is almost impossible to read. How do I change the color scheme? My computer at home has Windows 7 in case it makes any difference.
In the PuTTY configuration window on the left side, the category section, there is an expandable item called Window, and under that item is Colors. That is where color changes can be made.
Click on the System menu at the upper left corner of the PuTTY window. Select Change Settings in GT, Window, and GT, Colors. In the box that says Select a color to adjust, choose ANSI Blue and click the Modify button. Slide the black arrow on the right up until you see a lighter shade of blue that you like. Click OK. Perform the same steps for ANSI Blue Bold so you can have a perceptible difference between the two. When you're finished, click Apply.
You can use the very awesome 4-bit terminal color scheme designer to generate a full color scheme for your shell. Just create a color scheme to your liking, then click the Get Scheme button and select PuTTY. After downloading the .reg file, just import it to your registry to get the new color scheme. By default, the registry change will only affect new sessions, but you can also apply the scheme to existing saved sessions by changing the last part of the path in the .reg file.
The default PuTTY color scheme is known to be tough on the eyes. I would recommend taking a look at Pretty PuTTY, Solarized PuTTY, or Solarized and AMP, Modern PuTTY for better color settings. Screenshot of Pretty PuTTY. Other settings. In addition to PuTTY color settings, you can configure .dear_colors for custom colors when using the ls_color=auto command. .screenc with the entry term screen 256 color for 256 color support with screen. In PuTTY connection and GT, data and GT, terminal type string to PuTTY 256 color. Avoid. In general, avoid. Solutions that modify the term variable in .bash. Solutions that modify the vim_t_co variable. These are hacks rather than solutions. Further reading. Tom Ryder's blog post about term strings.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.